Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and we are pair of straight lines we are doing. Okay, see in this class we will try to solve from question number 24 to 28. That means 5 questions. Okay, see this question is asked in Eamcet 2014. 24th question. If x square plus alpha y square plus 2 beta y is equal to a square represents a pair of perpendicular lines. Pair of perpendicular lines. Then beta is equal to how much, like they are asking. See what is perpendicular lines. Coefficients of x square and y square together, if it is going to become 0, then these lines are going to call as perpendicular lines. Okay, that means a plus b is equal to 0 should come, then these are perpendicular lines. You see, before making it, you first to streamline this equation. Okay, let me write this equation in proper way. Ax square, see what I am writing. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. In this form, if I want to write this equation, then how I am going to write? You see, x square, okay, alpha y square, I want to write here alpha y square plus alpha y square. Okay, hx is there, nothing is there, that means this is 0. Gx is there, no, then that is this is 0. Fy is there, yes, 2 beta y. C is there, yes, s square you send this side, then it is going to become C is s square. Okay, now you see h is also 0, g is also 0, f is beta, b is alpha, a is 1. Okay, see, perpendicular means what you have to take. Perpendicular means for perpendicular, coefficients of x square a plus coefficients of b square y square b together should become 0. Sorry, not 1, 0. Okay. Then you see coefficient of x square is a only. Sorry, a means here what? 1. Plus coefficient of b square is alpha. That is equal to 0. Or else alpha is equal to minus 1. Okay. 1 plus alpha is equal to 0 because perpendicular, alpha is minus 1 as 1. Okay. Now go back again. Why? Because we also know another formula. What is that formula? I want to write easy. Like this, ABC plus 2FGH. Okay? Primary, secondary. Minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. But before substituting, first you find what are the values and all. Why? Because ABC means what? Shall I write ABC and all? See what I am writing. A is equal to 1. Okay. H is equal to 0. Okay. B is equal to alpha. Alpha is equal to minus 1. Shall I write minus 1? B. B alpha. Alpha is minus 1. Okay. G is equal to 0 again. F is equal to beta. See, beta only they are asking us to find. That means F you have to find. Okay. Now substitute these values in this equation, above equation. See, A into B into C. 1 into minus 1 into C. C is how much? C we have not written. C is equal to minus a square. Okay. C equal to minus a square. Okay. Now see, ABC means minus a square is also you have to write minus a square. You close this. Okay. B is minus 1. Okay. B is minus 1. Yes. Okay. Now you see plus 2FGH. See, G is also 0. H is also 0. GH 0, already 0. That means shall I write again? No, nothing required. You simply write 0. Okay, now you see F is there, yes. Minus A means minus of A is 1. 1 into F square, beta square. Okay, minus G is 0. That is why I don't write. Simply 0 I will write. H is 0, I don't write, simply 0 I will write, that is equal to 0. Okay, you see here, if you observe carefully, minus of minus is plus a square minus b square is equal to 0. That means a square is equal to b square or else beta is equal to a. Okay? A square is equal to beta square, beta is equal to a. Beta is equal to a means this is 1 is your answer. Okay? Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 25. The distance between parallel lines given by x plus 7y whole square plus 4 root 2 x plus 7y minus 42 is like they are asking. You see, this is solution formula. Distance between parallels, if those two lines are parallel, then this formula you utilize. GAC and all we will get now. Why? Because you have to expand this side. Let us expand first. See what I am doing. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 4 root 2x plus 28 root 2y minus 42 equal to 0. Okay? Okay. Now first data, whatever are required, G is 2 root 2. Okay? A is 1. C is minus 42. B is 49. Okay, enough. This data is required to proceed further. Then you proceed further. You see, 2 times of square root of g square, that means see 8 minus AC 1 into minus 42 plus 42 shall I write? Why? Because minus 42 into 1 minus of minus 42 plus 42. Okay, now see, go for denominator. A 1 into a plus b 1 plus 49 under root, that is equal to 2 times of 50 by 50. Why? Because 42 plus 8 is 50, 49 plus 1 is 50 into 1, 50. That means see 1 will come, that means 2 will come. Okay? This is the answer, 25th question. Let us go for next question. See question number 26, Eamcet 2019. The distance between the pair of lines you have to find. See, last question we have done distance between parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines means how we are going to know parallel line? They themselves mentioned in the last question. But this question, whether this is a parallel line or perpendicular line, we don't know. If it is a parallel line, then we know the formula. What is that formula? Last question. See, distance D is equal to, I am writing the formula. See, distance D is equal to 2 times of square root of g square minus AC by A into A plus B. Okay, g square minus AC by A into A plus B. This is the formula for parallel lines. Are these parallel lines or not? How we are going to find? Okay. Logic is, you see what I am telling. See, parallel means angle will be 0. That means cos 0 should become 1. Understand? Parallel means theta will be 0. Theta 0 means cos 0 is 1. Okay. Cos theta is 1 means what you can say? You can say like this, you see. A minus b whole square plus 2h whole square under root should be equal to a plus b modulus. Okay, because 1. Denominator I have taken, multiplied with 1. Okay, now see from this you bring this data. Okay, see a is how much? A is 1. 2h is how much? 2h is equal to 2 root 2. B is equal to 2. AB 2h, that's all. AB 2h, AB 2h. Okay, now substituting this. See what I am writing? A minus b whole square. See, 1 minus 2 whole square. 1 minus 2 whole square plus 2h whole square. 2h whole square means 8 will come under root. This is LHS. Comma I am keeping. Why? Because we should know whether these two are equal or not. A plus b, 1 plus 2 modulus. That means RHS is 3. RHS is 3. See, 1 minus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 square 1. 1 plus 8 9. 9 root 3. 3 equal to 3. That means see, now we can say that these lines are parallel lines. Why? Because theta is 0. Theta is 0 means cos theta is equal to 1. 1 means these two are equal. Okay. Now, when parallel, then you go over this one, this formula. But you have to find G, C also. Let us find G also. See, G means 2. Why? Because 2G is 4. And C is equal to 1. What else you require? G, A, B, C. That's all. Why? Because A, B already you are having, H you don't require further. Proceed further then. Okay? Proceed further. Then perpendicular distance, sorry. Distance they are asking. See, distance D is equal to 2 times of G square. That means 4 minus A into C. See, both are 1. 1 into 1, 1. Divided by A into 1 into A plus B, 1 plus B. B is how much? 2. See, 2 square root of 4 minus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Again 2 has come. Last question also 2 has come. Okay? This is the answer. Let us go for next question. Okay, see, question number 27. The pair of straight lines, 2 lines they have given. Pair of straight lines. See, this is separate pair, this is separate pair. That means totally 4 lines are there like. 1 pair, another pair, 2 pair. 2 pair means 4 lines. Whether these form a square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram. That means see 4 lines means see what we can say. Square, rectangle or 4 sides. 4 sides. Okay. See, if you observe carefully, first 3 terms are equal for both of them. X square minus 3xy plus 2y square, x square minus 3xy plus 2y square. That means, see, these two are parallel pairs. Okay, you can understand a parallel pairs. Parallel pairs means you see 3 options you are having. First of all, main options. Okay, see, it may be square, it may be rectangle, or it may be parallelogram. Okay, afterwards we will see rhombus and all. But main basic, these 3. Square means how we are going to find. See, exactly both are same means square. Why? Because see, this is here, this is here, this is here, this is here. Then only it is square. Is this same? No. Why? Because here x minus 2 is there, here x minus 2 is not there. That is why this is not a square. First thing. Okay. Next, if it is not a square, then I am rubbing this square. It may be rectangle, it may be parallelogram. Okay, now you see, if it is a rectangle, you see for rectangle one formula is there. If A plus B is equal to 0, then rectangle. If I am writing, okay, if I have written, if A plus B is equal to 0, see, A is 1 plus B is 2, that is equal to 3, not equal to 0, therefore not rectangle. Not rectangle. Then close this option also. Then rectangle also I am removing. Okay. Now you see, now you have got 2 options, rhombus and parallelogram. Okay, rhombus and parallelogram. Here something I have written. This is for rhombus. This is solution. Why? Because this type of this much of formula I cannot remember. That is why I have written. A minus B into fg plus h into f square minus g square is equal to 0 satisfies. Then this will be rhombus. If not satisfies, then ultimately parallelogram. Let us see. See, before substituting, then let us find A, B, C and now see, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, F is equal to 2Fy is not there. Okay? Okay, 0. Okay, then G is equal to, see, 2G is 1, G is equal to 1 by 2. Okay? H is there? Yes, H is there. 2H is minus 3, H is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay? Okay. F already written, H written, G written, that's all. Over. Now let us substitute in this. A minus B, 1 minus 2 into fg 0 into, see, 0 into something means, see, why should I take this is 0. Okay, okay, here f minus is there, that is why you need not worry. Plus h is how much? Minus 3 by 2 into f square 0 minus g square 1 by 4. Okay, see what will happen, 0 should come, then this is rhombus. Okay, see, this is 0, you need not consider. See, 0 minus 1 by 4 is 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, minus of minus plus 3 by 8. Plus 3 by 8 is not equal to 0. That is why this is not rhombus also. Then you don't have any other option, you put parallelogram. You understand the logic? Okay? But this formula you have to remember. One more question I am doing to memorize this formula. I am not rubbing this formula. Another question is also based on this only. Okay? Okay? Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 28. The figure formed by the pair of lines 6x square plus 13xy plus 6y square equal to 0 and 6x square plus 13xy plus 6y square plus 10x plus 10y plus 4 equal to 0 is a square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram. Okay? Again, this formula I have written, this is for rhombus. If this is equal to 0 satisfies, then this is rhombus. See, first of all we will see, is it a square? Observe carefully. Not a square. Why? Because see, after 6y square, 10x, 10y plus 4 is not there. That means for square means exactly both equations should be exactly same. That is why directly I am removing this square option. Okay. Now see, three options you are having, but rectangle option you know very well. A plus b should be equal to 0. If a plus b equal to 0, then this is rectangle. If not, then we will try for a rhombus. Okay, for parallelogram there is no formula like this. Okay, only for rectangle and rhombus is there. Square means you know both should be same exactly. Okay, now this is not a square. Let us try for rectangle. For rectangle, what is there? A plus b should be equal to 0. Then it is a rectangle. Okay, let me see whether a plus b equal to 0 or not. See, a is 6, b is 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. This is not equal to 0. Therefore, no rectangle. This is not a rectangle. I have not written, I have marked. This is square also I have marked, rectangle also I have marked. Now you have got two options, rhombus and parallelogram. Rhombus you can try. Okay, see, before trying rhombus, A, B, F, G, H and all you have to write. A, B, F, G, H. Okay, A you know 6, B you know 6, G, H you know 13 by 2. Okay, 2h is 13, h is equal to 13 by 2. Okay, and f, g. Okay, g will be 5. G will be 5. F also 5. C is not there, that is why you don't require to write 4. Okay, now substitute in this. A minus B. See, A minus B means 6 minus 6, 0. This term you need not write. Then go for this term. 0 plus h. H will be 13 by 2. Okay. F square minus g square. You see, both are 5 square. 25. 0. That's all. 0. That means this is rhombus. If f is equal to 0, then rhombus. That's all. Okay. Okay. Now we do one thing. We stop this class. We will continue in the next class. Okay. Thank you very much.